This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish roll. First, select about 1 pound of fresh, firm fish fillets, like salmon or cod, ensuring they are boneless and skinless. Next, prepare your seasonings, including a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a bright squeeze of lemon juice. Finally, gather your rolling materials, such as crisp nori sheets or thinly sliced cucumber, for the perfect wrap. Now, let's prepare the fish. Carefully slice your fillets into uniform strips, ideally about 1/2 inch thick, to ensure they cook evenly. Marinate these strips for about 15 minutes in a simple mixture of soy sauce and ginger for an extra layer of flavor. Before rolling, gently pat each piece of fish dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for a good roll. Mastering the roll is key to a beautiful fish roll. Lay your wrapper, whether it's nori or a vegetable slice, flat on a clean surface. Spread a thin, even layer of rice or other base filling, leaving a small border. Position your seasoned fish strips and any other desired ingredients, like avocado or cucumber, near one edge. Then, roll tightly and consistently, applying gentle, even pressure to form a compact, appealing shape. Finally, it's time to cook and serve your delicious fish rolls. You can steam them for about 5 minutes until the fish is opaque, or pan-sear them quickly for a crispy exterior. Once cooked, slice the rolls into neat, bite-sized pieces, approximately 1 inch thick, and arrange them beautifully on a platter. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy your homemade fish rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.